Clever Fox Daily Planner is a perfect planning tool for anyone with a busy daily schedule. You can use it to plan out your daily, weekly, and monthly agendas in the smallest detail, ensuring you're always one step ahead whatever life throws at you. The cover is made of premium quality soft-touch vegan leather with thick 120 GSM no-bleed paper inside. This planner has 3 ribbon bookmarks, an expandable pocket at the back, 2 sheets of planning stickers, an elastic closure, a pen holder, and a detailed user guide. It comes in a convenient A5 size and measures 5.8 inches by 8.3 inches. This planner lasts 6 months with 1 full page for each day. By design, all 6 monthly spreads come right up front, followed by the weekly and daily planning pages. This way, you can skip a week without wasting extra paper. Another important feature of this planner is that it is undated, so you can start using the planner anytime and take a break if needed. Daily planning pages provide maximum functionality, with separate sections for setting your main goal and priorities for the day and creating a detailed schedule from 6 a.m. till 9 p.m. Below, you will also find a separate to-do list for everything you need to complete. Also, once the day is over, you can give yourself a productivity rating and decide how you can improve tomorrow. This way, you can keep getting consistently better. However, this is only a tiny part of what awaits you inside this planner. It also includes many of our favorite tools for planning, strategizing, and goal setting. Start your planning journey by building self-awareness and defining your true priorities. Consider what you are grateful for and passionate about. Decide what skills and habits you want to adopt, and list your favorite life affirmations. This way, you can always have them at hand. Then, create a vision board for your ideal life and define your goals in 8 key life areas. Once you have completed the groundwork, it is time to set your goals for the upcoming year. This way, you can make your global goals much more tangible and achievable, not to let them intimidate you. Once you've set your goals, create a mind map of the key steps you need to take to achieve them. And voila! You now have a roadmap to achieving what you've set out to achieve. And to make planning extra easy, we've added 6 spacious monthly calendars, where you can record engagements and deadlines, set monthly goals, and review your month-end performance. Every week also includes a weekly planning page to set up a weekly goal and priorities, record to-dos, track habits, and plan activities for a balanced lifestyle. Incorporating separate pages for planning your daily, weekly, and monthly schedule will make it easy to see the bigger picture and choose the right priorities every single day. And once the week is over, you can use the weekly review page to reflect on how it went and build up motivation for the next one. Opposite the weekly review, you will also find an empty dotted page that you can customize any way you like. We hope this Clever Fox Planner will help you get a productivity boost like never before, so you can focus all of your energy on what is essential in your life. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized, stay clever.